おはようございます皆さんお元気ですかはいसो हमने लास्ट वीडियो में अपना एक कैनवस पेंट किया था क्योंकि हम इस वॉल को अपडेट करने जा रहे हैं सो कंटिन्यूइंग दैट वीडियो आज हम नेक्स्ट कैनवस पेंट करना चाहते हैं एंड द इंस्पिरेशन इज़ Nihon. Hi. It's Japan because I am very much inspired by Japanese culture. So I thought, why not just have a part of it on the wall because this is going to be my personal space. I'm sorry if I touched the mic. So, whenever I paint, 心が落ち着く。はい。ちょっと楽しいとちょっと難しいそんな感じ。はい。日本のエステティクスは、本当に綺麗かなと思います。はい。一緒にキャンバスをペインティングしようかな。私の日本語はあまり上手じゃないだから、はい。すいません。So, let's go and paint our canvas. And let's see what we are going to paint next. So I was going for something very easy to paint and inspired by Japan. I did find a few very amazing paintings, but I finally found this very beautiful sakura tree which was very easy to draw and would look just amazing on this tiny canvas. Let's do the background first. After getting everything, I got straight to painting. जो ब्रश मैंने यहाँ पिक किया वो मैंने लास्ट टाइम अच्छे से वॉश नहीं किया जिसकी वजह से ये कम्प्लीटली हार्ड हो गया था एंड लुक एट दिस So I chose another brush and tested it. Look at me go, wow. And there we go. It worked perfectly. Let me show you my painting, guys. Ta-da! Sakura. It looks so beautiful. I love it. Next painting, जो कि इस canvas पे होने वाली है, we are going to start that now. Right now, this one is going to be very unique and very new. That's what I think. Let's get started. Yes. So हम लोगों ने कल एक और कैनवस फिनिश कर लिया था which is right here, the sakura tree, and today we are moving to the next canvas जो कि ये छोटू सा canvas है. इसके लिए I am thinking that I have some yarn, this very beautiful, very fine yarn. So I'm gonna crochet something round and I'm gonna paste it. Creative. So let's do that. Oh wow. Very fine yarn. I love this beautiful color. We need a crochet hook of size 4 to 5 mm. Smaller. How about this? There. Now I need to see some patterns to choose from. Let's see.
꿈만 속에 꿈이 아니겠지. 꿈이었어도 나 헤어나오지 못했어. I don't wanna wake up, just wanna back up. 우리가 함께했던 것을 난 너무 슬퍼. 눈을 가렸어. 아무것도 보지 못하게. 넌 아마 내가 오늘 미워둔 기억 속에서 나를 찾고 있겠지. 또 많은 것이 변화우를 갈라졌다고 난 변하지 않았어. You know what I found out? To you I wrote my life. But before I sent it you were far away. The song can never reach you. 이 노래를 듣게 된다면 이미 늦었어. The song can never reach you. 아무 일도 하던 그대로. 우리 다시 돌아갈까 돌아갈까. 너무 많이 돌아왔나 돌아왔나. 우리 다시 돌아갈까 돌아갈까. 너무 많이 돌아왔나 돌아왔나.
तो मेरा प्लान था कि मैं इसके ऊपर एक क्रोशे करके क्यूट सा, नॉट अ ग्रैनी स्क्वायर बट इन अ सर्कुलर समथिंग क्रिएट करूँगी एंड उसे फिर टाई कर दूँगी चारों तरफ से, which would look beautiful, and it does look beautiful, I'm not lying, but something's missing. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों कीड़ा है कि I need it to be perfect. So I started crocheting this one. For the people who crochet, they know कि ये क्या बन रहा है. For the people who don't, ये एक purple rose बनने वाला है. And I am planning to have the rose on this very cute rounded canvas, जो कि बहुत ही क्यूट दिखेगा और 3D pop-up लगेगा and it will look just amazing. So I really want to see that happening, see that come to life. इसलिए I started from beginning और इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. It's been almost 4 hours मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ. And you know, if you're shooting तो फैन की आवाज़ भी आ रही है, एसी की आवाज़ भी आ रही है, सो एवरीथिंग इज़ शट डाउन. तो मैं बेसिकली 4 घंटों से गर्मी में मर रही हूँ एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट दिस परफेक्ट लुकिंग कैनवस and I'm tired. I am so tired. So I am taking a break for now. Not taking a break. I don't know what I'm doing. So keep watching. That's all I can say for now. So finally, after all the drama, I completed the rose, and here I am assembling it.
Consider your message received when you said you couldn't take us too serious.
And it turned out just beautiful. Just look at it. Wow.
I never wanna play happy families with you, but I
So now that हमारी तीनों paintings बन गई हैं and I have them all right here. अब हम इसे पेस्ट करेंगे पीछे, पर क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता कि कितने एरिया में मेरी वीडियो शूट होने वाली है एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट, सो आई एम शूटिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट कैमरा, सो द क्वालिटी माइट बी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ. But now I can see where I need to put my painting. ज़्यादा height पे तो मुझे लगानी नहीं है. I just want them to show in the camera. That was the whole purpose of these paintings. The way how do you guys like my kurti? I got this from Ivara and I will give you guys the link down in the description. I love it. Yeah, so let's see where I need to put these all one by one. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, oh, 3. So like that. Something even more asymmetrical. Again. Can you guys see? How do you prefer it? Oh goodness. This seems okay. तो मैं ड्रिल नहीं करने वाली यहाँ पे, और मेरे पास ड्रिल था भी नहीं, थी भी नहीं, whatever. बहुत गर्मी है. तो मैंने ये ब्लैंकेट किया. इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग डबल साइडेड माउंटिंग टेप, मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ, एक्सट्रीम इंडोर्स एंड आउटडोर्स. मस्ट वॉच इंस्टॉलेशन वीडियो. ये तो मैंने नहीं देखी, ये तो हम नहीं देखेंगे. डबल टेप में क्या इंस्टॉलेशन वीडियो देखना. पर इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है कुछ. लेट्स रीड दैट. Clean the surface by rubbing alcohol. Apply tape to the object. Press lines for good adhesion. And then remove. Press object firmly for 60 seconds. So we need some rubbing alcohol. मेरे पास नहीं है rubbing alcohol. I mean, do you think यहाँ पे rubbing alcohol would work? Come on. So I got some wipes and let's see if they work fine. No.
2,000 years later.
Yep, nicely done. Wow. Oh goodness. Wow. Looks amazing. तो इसे कैसे पेस्ट करना था? ऐसे भी हमें चारों तरफ तो पेस्ट करना ही है. I don't have scissors. इसे मैं ऐसे काट सकती हूँ. काकोई कारा स्कीना जानाई स्कीना कारा काकोई नायो. Wow. Come on. There you go. Initially, man, I was why do I have to convert every like English sentence into Hindi before speaking? I was like, I was going for this aesthetics. मैं इन aesthetics की ओर जाना चाह रही थी. That's what I'm doing in my head. Wow. I'm not doing Hindi to Hindi from head to mouth. It looks so pretty. Oh, I wonder ये nails के ऊपर मैं paste कर लूँ तो कितना प्यारा nail color लगेगा. Now, at equal intervals. There. पीछे टेप के पीछे क्या लिखा था? अरे यार, अरे उतर ही नहीं रहा है. देखो. It can hold up to 6 kilograms of weight. How, how complicated can it be to apply a double tape? I think I have to watch the video. Okay, they used a cutter to take off the tape, but I do have my nails. Should be enough. Let's give it another go. उतर रही है, उतर रही है. Wow. It's so easy. I'm so stupid. I'm not stupid. Got this one. Wow. Paste करते हैं. Should look some like this. Okay. Is this okay? Looks okay to me. थोड़ा सा ऊपर. Now press really hard. Press really fucking hard. Should be okay. Finally, after 3 days, it's going to be over. Now the last canvas, it's almost ready. Fix it. Wow, finally, it's wow. That's how my videos are going to look from now on. It looks absolutely amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. After a lot of efforts और बहुत सारा time, बहुत सारी मेहनत के बाद finally मैंने एक space create किया. First of all, then I created this huge video which took me forever, not lying. And thank you so much everyone who have been there to watch the whole entire video जिनका brain rot नहीं है. You get the meaning. Okay, so ありがとうございました。皆さん見てくれてありがとう。はい、またね。like とか subscribe そんなことをしてください。バイバイ。またね。